Hey guys, welcome to So Basic or welcome back. It's Irene. Today we're going to do a unboxing, an installation, and a review of these windshield wiper replacements that I got off Amazon. It's that season, guys. It's gonna rain or snow depending on what part of the country or world you are watching this in. Even if you are in the part of the hemisphere where it is nice and sunny and bright, you know that sometimes with summer comes the rainstorms. So, at any rate, if you're driving a vehicle, visibility is key to your safety, your well being, and your enjoyment of the driving process. Right? You can hear when your windshield wipers need to be replaced. Mine was making this horrendous sound. You could hear it, you could feel and see it and hear it kind of shudder as it moved up and down the window, like it's just awful. Like you could hear it even if you're not in the car, which is not a good sign. It would do a terrible job. It would like start to streak. And then that was just the front windows. So terrible for visibility, terrible for sound. And then also my back rear window, you guys are going to see how bad it is and why it needs to get replaced. And you'll be like, "Oh, that's also another sign. Visible wear and tear." You can go to the dealership or get it from the manufacturer, but you know it's going to be top dollar marked up price. But I got these, I read a lot of the reviews, made sure that it was compatible with my specific vehicle, which is the Mazda CX-5 2019. Let's jump into it. Let's get to unboxing. Let's install, and then I will come back and let you know how I feel about the whole process. Hey guys, I just wanted to do an unboxing of these OEM quality windshield wiper set for my Mazda CX-5. And this manufacturer or seller claims that this is the perfect fit, but we will be the judge. Obviously this is not ideal because this is not meant to... What did I do with my mouse clicker? So we have opened that up. Okay, so what we have here are the two French windshield wipers. The OEM replacements that I bought a couple years ago, they did the trick for the winter, but as soon as the season changed, it sucked. And you could hear how loud and clangy it was. And this is the rear windshield wiper. This is one of the few companies that had all three. I bought this for, it was $16.99. There was a 10% off coupon. I'll link the seller. I do appreciate that they are sealed. It looks like there are some instructions in one of the front wipers. So you will need scissors to remove. It seems pretty sturdy. It seems a little bit more, like this part seems a little bit flimsier, but it looks pretty sturdy. And we're supposed to remove this green little, oh, interesting. Interesting. And here are the instructions. Oh boy, that's not helpful. I mean, kind of. It's very, I guess they have the different types of connectors. And you're supposed to somehow miraculously understand what this means. I think I am this picture right here. Oh Lord. We will find out if this is... I will probably go watch a couple YouTube videos, honestly, to find out what I'm supposed to do, because this is a little bit bananas. Okay. This is an experiment. Okay. Worst scissors ever goes to that pair of scissors. This one doesn't have a green blade protector. Feels more plastic than metal, so that's interesting. I was actually trying to buy the OEM blades replacement, not the entire wiper, because obviously the quality of the original is probably better because this is very plasticky, and I think the other one has a little bit better quality. This is very exciting. Well, we're gonna find out. As you can tell, this needs to be replaced. It's supposed to be like this. I don't know though. This doesn't look right. This looks, well, maybe it's just this part that needs to get replaced. So, put this down here. So just pop out. It's not just popping out. Does this feel like just popping out to you? Aha, so separate and up. Much easier. And that makes it all there. Oh, look at this. So we need to take, I think we have to go like this, right? Yeah. This off. And this. So this is the replacement. Super easy. So one of the reasons why I replaced the windshield wipers, other than the fact that you guys can definitely see why it needed to be replaced, hello, rear windshield wipers, and then the horrendous sound. I should have taken a video of how bad the windshield wipers. That's what I missed. Okay, well, next time that happens, I'll make sure to do a before so you guys could really hear how terrible it sounded. But it just wasn't doing its job. I could barely see out the window. So these windshield wipers, they were money. They helped keep clear visibility front back of the windows. I have had them on there for probably over a year, and they are still going strong. They're still cleaning very well. They don't make any like crazy noises saying that please, the rubber has died, please replace me. It's a total yay for me. It was worth the investment. I was able to get everything changed all at once, the front and the back. I believe there were a couple tutorials that I did watch. I didn't know how to install it myself. Just from looking at the picture instructions, were just not going to cut it. Like, I don't know what that was. Long story short, the installation was easy, smooth, totally worth it. Do it, guys. If your car has a replacement windshield wiper, do it every season if you need to. These haven't needed to be replaced. They've been sitting out in the sun too. Unfortunately, my car is parked outside and in heat for most of the day, and we've had a couple of scorchers and they're still working. Usually, as with tires and any sort of other rubber parts of the car, it tends to deteriorate like in extreme weather and in direct sunlight, and these seem to be still working really well, so highly recommend the quality. So yeah, that's a yay for me. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys change your own windshield wipers? Do you guys even pay attention to them? Thanks for your likes, share, and subscribes. I will see you guys next time.